this is very nice. Mommy is very amazed with this other brand of chicken nuggets. Last time we had shapes. Now we had different letters. We have S, we have M, we have W, and look, what's this?
It's a big man.
Yes, it's a gingerbread man. Now the gingerbread man cannot run from us because we have it here and we're going to cook it. We're going to cook you and we're going to eat you. You cannot run from us. Okay. How many gingerbread men? One, two. Okay, how many? Wait, let's see. I think we have more here. Please wait. Yes, let's see how many gingerbread man. Please wait. Okay, we'll try to sort out. So, how many gingerbread man can we see here? One, two. Let's see more. If we have another, this one is S. Let's see if we have other gingerbread man. Oh, look, there is another gingerbread man. How many gingerbread men do we have now?
1, 2, 3.
Three. Yes, let's see if there's another gingerbread man. This must be yummy. Oh, there is no more gingerbread man. Okay, so we have 3 gingerbread man. We're going to sort out more. We have the S, okay? How many S? 1, 2, and 3. Do we have more? S. Yes, okay. 4. 4 S. What else? Do we have other? There's another gingerbread man. So we have 4 gingerbread man. Okay, now let's have let's hunt more for this is a chicken nuggets hunting. Another S. Oh, another gingerbread man. Wow, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. How about the S? Okay, I think no more. Okay, now how about the M? Oh, how about the S? How many S? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's. How about the M? M. 1, 2, 3. Another M. Oh no, that's I think that's W. There's no. Okay, M. 4. Oh, 5. Yes, this is M. 5. What? Where? No more? Okay, this is W. Okay, so we have 5M and then the W we have how many? 1, 2. Okay, and then how about this one? What is this?
T.
T, yes. How many T? 1,
2,
3, 4, 5. Is this T? No. I don't know what letter is that. And this one, what is this? Huh? Do you know what is that, JD? Turtle? Maybe. Okay, there. Wow, this is an amazing way to make the chicken nuggets. It's very interesting, see, for children. And we got this from SM Bonus. Wow, chicken nuggets. So parents, you can also try this one. Wow, yum, yum, yum. It's JD's favorite and also Mommy's favorite. Okay.